abaje bara bal ta darab lana yana ta la wana lo lam biga katir to kula na bela waya ila na ba kore bi jabal nuba na ga de kore bi Darfur fichu lugar bi Darfur ma fi fichu lugar bi jabal nuba ma fi I know chu lugar no dud ma nuba lakin das fele no dar as fele nos al garam la fele waya bi Darfur das fele nos so sa ite biga ta ya ande de tul nuer kullu be jonna be mara Salva Kiir gal no like do ma shagal rasullu atani wa tawal fi London BBC that's zol ma zol batana zol shagal ba muku taw zol ma zol batana what de yo kala mo bordo la mo the same group da kitwang de kitwang kiro gwal kinyang kitchunu umalla Salva Kiir mariyak mi shar fi juba jar gara manu bara na de jay mi kitwang ba wa mat bataw de tawalu man baji bigdam na yo nas kubarin na no bordol de jure da fil na do lain de zol wad ba kul ganam braw wala no botul rek ma shore wona ya zol ya kirgwang mushakal tamu da kirgwang tuma baji fi juba mushakal batamu da kirgwang de kirgwang kirogwal kinyang kirchunu da de Salva Kiir galo mushakal fadal fi kirgwang Ana good yam dak I told you before that Pikit gwang na ma fi zol der salam so lo tum shakal pikit gwang udol biga taban be mushakal tal fi juba but when you come to Juba don't talk like a man lan I'm the only man lano lo it kan rajin lit kan ma basib kit gwang lo it kan rajin lit kan ma amal salam mai it kan bo god pikit gwang it kan be shakal ay zol de dero de the calamity rajil ya kwana we must give it to him the calamity rajil lan dere gulle na da kitwang de lan na da kitwang ada yo de doktor Nuer this kitwang group that are the one trying to kill Nuer it's not Salva Kiir the man Salva Kiir de kitwang de yo na da ga de pred mishakal da yak mishare lan o mani do geset de this personal to kitwang so Salva Kiir gal mi de kai chemar Nin kitwang chicken talk for kitwang and up. Be a years for kitwang, Adama be give police, Adama be give by yaja. Loit a bigger taban, no mushakal tal for Juba. Lakin loit a whistle for Juba, duk then up attack that, Tama Bukalam Kalam, and Shakalatane. Lana for Juba, I'm the only commander in chief. I, Salva Kiir, me had it. Awanishan, Gorial, Warap. Anna bribers, I make decision for Juba, Domunubam give decision, Domunubam wen. I make decision. Asa nata kitwang jera kulu. Riang mishar jera fi Juba. Olan jera fi Juba. Garwijwel jera fi Juba. Ila uman jam mushakal da uman da kitwang fi Juba. Uman jam mushakal da uman da kitwang fi Juba. Lewutum rujal lamda lewutum mashakal fi kitwang. Lewutum sim kitwang utum kulum. Why you left kitwang? Lewutum garamale dai le Salva Kiir utum ja fi Juba ja damale dai le junubit mada salam yo jagum utum mo pere riang mi shar fi Juba utum mo pere riang mi shar fi kirkwang ma riang mi shar ga fi kirkwang riang mi shar utum ga de pere fi Juba de fi jam Salva Kiir lewutum rujal o lañ mam bordol wal ñak lewutum rujal lewutum jara nak lewutum kala mo bo kala riang mi shar fi ga ba yo dak Mautum kan ma baji le Salva Kiir utum kan be shakal mariya mo shal ka rujal ashan shubu utum rujal lakin you are not a man you are coward utum jere le Salva Kiir ga zo le wosel be Juba de ma bi dol be kalam chekal yela utum group da kir kwang da utum liga ga kalam da chekal fi Juba anana badarab munu Salva Kiir amma le sab ma group zere akoy ray bay group zere they dangerous Karo lo man ma de good bara taro do man karo man em ja kwang bataw man karo man em ji shakal ma riang mi shar ga ba ina de u man ma be fi Juba pere fi riang mi shar ga fi kwang riang mi shar ga fi kwang riang mi shar ma ga fi law riang mi shar ma ga fi nasar riang mi shar ma ga fi pangak riang mi shar ga fi kwang la do so group da kwang de they need to be told that mushakal bataw dun ja fi Juba de you must be careful ana mutagin mo bordal le bam je sejin kaman والله تعالى نيل Ali Mugruk, Wallahi ta'ala Nil, 13 counties of Upper Nile said, congratulations. There's no war in Olang, no war in Nasser, no war in Longshok, no war in Maywood. People are cultivating, people are farming. Purna fi jaw yera. Cha might kap chuong. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Cha might kap chuong. Purna. Nas gadi zra. Fi mugata bata nwer fi walayata ala nil. Nas gadi zra. Nas gadi zra. Nas gadi kuri. Tamje pe jaw yera sobade kulu. Around sobade kulu de maintap kulu. Maintap kulu. De maintap kulu. Min mata gum. Min mata gum min Nasser. Min mata gum min Nordang. Nordang. Tijia de kulu la de widang la de mandang de bijaw yera kulu. Barada kulu. La de jongmir juo. De maintap bravo. Ite bogo min jongmir te machi denlit. De maintap kulu bijaw yera. Te machi juo kagwang. De maintap kulu. Te machi la de malwalgawe. De maintap kulu. Ite bakta bar te machi makway. De maintap kulu. Te bakta te machi tijia bata abaj. Tijia bata tiang de maintap kulu. De ashirib kulu. Hallelujah. Akil. Yaw boktul nas. Lo to may dag akil fidu na inta ma bishakal manas. Lazim bishakal manat batan matan do akil. Nuer is known for hard working. Nuer ma gadi share akil menzol. Nuer the man lo laga akil amalu. Unaru fadal tal taakul mana. Nuer bagola. Lana akil le sakar. Lenas kulo. Lo jan bagot. Olo nuer ite jame chi beta nuer. Ute lagi akil de besalam le kulu rajil da bet bagot. That's why tamu chi beta nuer akil ba maluke bir. Lan akil da ya mayim le zol ta shokol. Akil nuer al biga muzakena lele. Bakalam mushakal al fi junub de nuer biga taban fi yeta UN. Nuer biga taban fi yeta UN. Yaw nuer muzaken fi abaj. Nuer muzaken fi refugees camp lo fi tel kida fi tarfam. Lo fi penyido, lo fi charcoal, lo fi dima, lo fi bongo. Nuer sabane nak. Bas baka mikela da sila. Nuer mamoko ne kun jan. Araz ta nuer people cultivate twice a year. People cultivate twice a year fi araz ta ga jogede araz ta ga gwang, araz ta ga jak. Nuer taban, nuer beri fo, de nuer btalaw. Lanu mun may moe. Nuer beri fo de bentio. Nuer beri fo de gawe. Lana rata gawe de jizir moe gari shielu. Lakin, the very blessed nuer by God. No fi nuer God am lo bless. De yo ga jok, de yo ga gwang, de yo ga jak. There's no reason in this world that Gajag will starve. Gajag got bejan, or Gajog got bejan, or Gagwang got bejan. The Kalam Zilal got the cord with my the toe, not my. How do I know? Anna Jam in Maldak. Anna Jam in Maldak. I'm talking about something I know. I grew up in Maldak. Congratulations. You fought a war. It's a shackle, it's a makawet. It's a shackle. Like there is a time for war and there is a time for peace. There is a time for everything. The makul mayom not the shackle. Rajil gari shackle kul mayom the rajil tane. And rajil into other responsibility. War is not a responsibility. People go to war not because you want to. You go to war because you have to. America never went to war because America went to or want to. America go to war because they have to. There's no other option. Chikala de ma the quest. Mafia the quest you. It is a distraction. You will never live peaceful life by Chikala. Whether fi Chikala ma fizul go ma fizul ma go lahana talga lo darabu. Cha daw de yot motan bijiri. Bagar bijiri. Kilib bijiri. بفضل بس نادا قاعد ضرب سلاح. To make all these people come back after war, it's not easy. That's not big year. So I rather die in Gambela. That's why now Anyak Boktul Nuer for Gambela refugees camp, for Penido refugee camp. Anyak Boktul Nuer for refugee camp, for Penido. And nobody's coming home. Do you think Nuer will guard if they like to live like that? That's, you will never know when Anyak will attack you. Anyak Boktul not for refugees camp. Anyak Boktul Nuer for refugees camp. Now Nuer, I think they want to come back home. Like in where is home? They are home, they could my home. Toe. So now, Talga will go from Gata with a Nuer Kulu. Nuer will guard for the Kulu Lajine will come back home. Land they have a beautiful land. Around Nuer into Fijinu Sudan, I knock my window. I knock a book to Nuer if refugees come there. If they see the land of Nuer Fijinu, but I got Jog, but I got Jog, but I got Wang, they will never dare to question Nuer. They're not into a rather quest, like in Kalam Talga, Kulmayom. That's what make them for. So, Ali Mugru Talga the time my trouble. For Mugata Nuere, talk to yourself. Not with SPLI, Manego, Malbatam, not with IG, not with Sawa, not with Bureles, PLA, is only go to Mala. More important, your interest is your civilian interest. Work for your civilian. Governor is your son. What do you want, Annie? That's a Talga day with Gabu. Lana Rajil, a man has other responsibility. It's not only about war. Man will make food. You will go look for food. Food day to Mabalgao, when you went to Mabalgao, in Salbakir, to Balgao, Minala, Kot. You got to give matter. You know? Mugata, but Denga, Deka man, they live peacefully now. Mafi Mushakal, Mugata, but Denga. Mafi Mushakal, we violate. Mafi Mushakal, fi Akoga. Mafi Mushakal, fi Rang. Mafi Mushakal, fi Mulut. Ali Mugruk. Ma de Pered Mushakal ta Nuer ma Pered Mushakal Batagum. Ma de Pered Mushakal da Shuluk ma Pered Mushakal Batagum. Aizol Trum Nopso. Bible gal eb jiranek. Bible ma gal eb hukuma de hukuma tanas kolo. Salbakir de reis tanas kolo. Salbakir wa denkao. Salbakir de ma min Rumbek. Salbakir de ma min Warap. Salbakir de ma min Afadang. Salbakir ma min Abiye. Salbakir ma min Bor. Salbakir ma min Bargazal kolo. Salbakir gad fi kursi da lanu Junubi. Lo pa dang ni ga de Fred Mushakal da chulu Mushakal ta Nuer bakalam Salbakir te shab yam da fu ya dang Salbakir bi ga taban min kum maja kom zo tamanin mat fi dang Salbakir ma ga la ya la na zol bu kun taban kul ma yom tu ga de Fred Mushakal bakalam Salbakir lo tu ga de Fred Mushakal bakalam Salbakir ya da miten 30 mat fi biam nam Salbakir maja la na Salbakir bi ga taban ora yetu ta junu Sudan to ma ra yetu da danga to ma kul ma yom Denga Bamal Mushakal Salbakiri Jare. So now you know that the only option you have now, love your neighbors. Hip Jiranek. They all kalam Bible Galo. Bible government come and go. Government come and go. You cannot depend on the government. You cannot live your life based on government. And the government come and go. But you can live your life based on your neighbors. That's why Robuna gal niaran tiaga yin. Nagwan tiaga do. Marangani chagin. Ibzol agree mark. Love your neighbors. The Robuna gal kalamde. Robuna magal if your government. Love your government. Now, the government come and go. Hukuma al-Kwes bagum, baju bagum, hukuma al-Batal bagum, mafi hukuma ma bagum. Salva Kiir, 10 years from now, Salva Kiir mafi fugadam matana. 10 years from now, we will never see Salva Kiir. 10 years from now. I'm too kind to give Salva Kiir 10 years. Like it may be 5 years. No, if you go to doctor, to mention the doctor, if you go to doctor, and then ask them to look at Salva Kiir the way movement of Salva Kiir. Just movement. The way Salva Kiir walk. The way Salva Kiir talk. Dictator Bogole Salva Kiir will never make it 5 years from now. He will never make it 5 years. So Salva Kiir bamchima policy bataw de policy bataw al-bakali afadang yaktul bishuluk uma bogola ya lo shuluk dorob afadang Salva Kiir bamal difal afadang. Policy bagul afadang bam ci prid mishakal ta nuer lo nuer dorob afadang Salva Kiir baji jare lakin lo afadang katal nuer Salva Kiir baskut Salva Kiir bomut ma policy bataw de. I guarantee you zol baji min Salva Kiir ata lo de general Salva Kiir will be 10 times better than Salva Kiir. I zol baji min Salva Kiir. I don't care jay min nuer jay min denga jay min chuluk zol bukun asen min Salva Kiir. Atalo Jonathan Salva Kiir will never refit Aja Salva Kiir amalode. Will never refit Aja Salva Kiir amalode. Lana Aja Salva Kiir amalode da Aja bas ta zol kede zol ma kwes. Ita ma bijib tayara ta Uganda Bakalamwan County. Lo ita ma bail mushakal ta mugata wad mugata Nasser. Ita ma bail mushakal ta mujur ma shabab fi Nasser. إلا يتبين مشاكل دا جنوب السودان كله كيف سبب اللي انت بكون رئيس زي شنو. Why should you be called a president if you cannot solve the problem of one county? جنوب السودان عنده 79 county تيزو 70 مقاطع إلا سالفا كير لو يتما بقدر تيل مشاكل تا ناصر peacefully amicably. Hello, who will believe that this يتبين مشاكل دا جنوب السودان ده كله؟ Well, that's why Junub Sudan waka fi bar. They are why Junub Sudan waka fi bar fi yet batak. Lani lo ito mabagdar sa il mushakal la dasar should have been controlled. But you took side. You took side at Dankawi. Dankawi, a criminal. Majority were nothing but a criminal. Those will call Mijrim. Mijrim le, lano kan buduk fi muatan, kan menyaka makil da muatan. But the likala mo hukuma deploy major financer without ration. Budun akil, budun maiye, budun ayaja. The hukuma, the